God.
Hey there, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax. Today we're going to take a quick look at a really neat boat, 2026 Cruisers Yacht 50 GLS with the full enclosure. You haven't seen this on the west coast of Florida, MarineMax Clearwater, we have it, you got to come see it. Triple Mercury 600 V12s off the back, huge transom here, walk all the way across comfortably, ton of storage, wet bar, my favorite, double grill. I'm an eater. I like my burgers and hot dogs. Port and starboard side, you have terraces that fold out, which extend an extra 4 feet right by the loungers. We could roll the ottomans around. You can comfortably sit 7, 8, 9, 10 people back here. Massive sure shade, covers the entire area. Look at the surround sound system here. JL audio. This thing bumps. It is an awesome sounding boat. So what they have here on the whole enclosure to kind of open it up and bring the, the outside inside, 2 massive windows here. We do have the door, and then when you step in, you really have the feeling of being outside, but we can be inside if we want to fully enclose it. We're just going to start on the port side here, go around, ton of storage, wireless charging, cup holders, all the way around here on the L-shaped seating. And I'm gonna tell you this, I was working on this boat yesterday and I was sweating. Right here is where the AC vents come out. That is so awesome. If you notice, I'm gonna start pointing that out, the little spots that they put AC, it's awesome. Port starboard windows do open. Wet bar area, double refrigerators, trash, storage, sink, AC vent, pop-up television, sound system all the way around. Large sunroof that opens. I didn't want to open it up too much because now you can see I'm glistening in the sun. Look at this setup here for the captain. Best seat in the house. Triple Simret electronics, digital switching galore. You do have your auto trim, you have your joystick, you have your skyhook feature, and we have an additional bow thruster just in case you get into some current when you're trying to dock. 1-piece glass windshield. Look at that thing. And anywhere you stand here, 360 degrees, you got perfect visibility of this boat. There's not a dock you're gonna hit. Well, can't always say that. One thing I do love, look at how deep. I mean, I'm a really tall 5'10" and a half, but it's above my waistline. The kids can come back and forth comfortably here. Very entertaining area out here. You have 4 forward-facing seats, diamond stitching. Look at that, that's so beautiful. I mean, look at the size of the headrest. They are overdone. Very comfortable. Electronic table that goes all the way down flush and just disappears in the flooring. Large seating all the way around here, access to your windlass and everything else. And then take the shot from here. Look at that beautiful view you have.
God.
So now in the lower corridor, what you're gonna notice, microwave, an additional fridge, your forward V-berth, which is the master, ton of storage, bifolding door. It's a really neat idea to be able to just fold it one way so you have full access all the way around. We also have a beautiful head compartment with a separate shower. Again, the shower is aft, so the drain is aft, so when the boat's on plane, all the water flows backwards. And then we have a very large aft area, 2 singles, which does convert into a massive king-size bed if you had another couple or an addition, some friends spending the night on the boat. Come on down to MarineMax Clearwater, 50 GLS Cruiser Yacht, coupe enclosure. Ask for Patrick Rourke or say Patrick Rourke sent you. We'll see you soon.